Okay, so just to kind of give you an idea here on the statistical moderation model. So Andy goes into quite a bit of detail of what's going on. So as you can see here, you've got an outcome, and this outcome is predicated on your predictor. And we also maybe have a moderator, right? And then you also look at your predictor and your moderator. And so when you build out the linear regression equation, remember Y is your outcome, B0 is your intercept, A is your predictor, B is your moderator, and then you've got moderator and predictor combined. Okay, so he uses the example in his text about aggression, whether aggression can be predicted by gaming, on whether or not the person has a calloused type of personality, and then you've got the interaction. So you build out this prediction equation with the moderator variable in there and the interaction with of the moderator with the predictor. So for you guys, I just used the example of EQ. Let's just say emotional intelligence, and we say socioeconomic status is predicting emotional intelligence. We've got location of living as maybe a moderator, and we've got SES and location of living, and how does that predict your emotional intelligence? And you look at the combination, the interaction of those. So that's the basic model of what the statistical model would look like for an interaction term.